So I tore my Xbox One apart, as you can see. It was actually pretty clean. The fan does have a squeak to it, and there's nothing. They should put a Zerk in here, or some sort of filling, so you can fill it up with whatever needs to be done. But I used some pressed air, can of air, just gave it a quick clean. But mine's a little bit different from what I can see. I've got this spongy thing. I don't know, maybe people have got it too, but it's a dust protector of some kind. But it's pretty clean. Other than that, I just got a squeak in here after about 6 to 7 years. So there isn't much I can do about that without tearing it apart, and I really don't want to. It's as far as I want to go because of this friggin' ribbon cable. Man, is that a joke. I can't believe Xbox did that. That is just friggin' horrible. Horrible, horrible. But I didn't think I had the tools, but I did have the tools. But because I didn't think I had the tools, I just took the skin off, and I sprayed it through here, trying to get, and that actually reduced the heat, because there's a lot of heat coming off of here, believe it or not. But I reduced the heat by doing that, so I thought I'd take it apart again and try and get some more air in here. I'm going to give it another quick clean, put it back together, and let it rip. So next one's got to be cleansed by Xbox, and that one's going to be done again, PS2. So see ya.